I welcome you all back to my channel. I hope you guys are all being safe and staying inside your home during these unprecedented times. So let me introduce myself because I think this is the first video where I'm addressing you guys all like directly. So I'm Aparna. I am a student and I'm currently pursuing my masters in abroad, UK. I don't think I'm pursuing it abroad anymore because anyways I'm back in my hometown due to all this COVID situation. So I would say that I'm currently pursuing my higher studies online. Well, welcome to the life of batch of 2020, guys. That's what we do everything online. Okay, so let's move on to the content of this video. So as you could have read, you would have read from the title of my video that what this video is going to be about. Of course, it's about what to pack if you're going abroad for your higher studies. So this is out of my own experience. I'm not telling that this is what it is, and I would be covering three major parts, which are clothes, utensils, kitchen stuff, masalas and all that. Especially if you're Indian, you would be so confused. I do know because I was there like 6 months ago. So yeah, and third one, documents, which is very important. So let me start with clothes because clothes cover the major part of packing. So I'll start with clothes. Ta-da! I know you can't see anything here because if I think this is here, I can get the perfect lighting only here. So I'll just pick it up and show you when I'm explaining. So yeah, moving on. First, clothes. Okay, so starting with clothes, guys, please carry minimal clothes because whatever outfit you get here, you won't be showing it off there. Trust me, I was covered in jacket 24/7. Even when I was in my dorm, I was in jacket. I was in my hoodie all the time. So there was no point getting all these fancy outfits because I did spend a lot, on fancy clothes because I thought I'd be, going there, giving poses in front of all this London Bridge and all that. What I was covered in all the photos, if you see of mine, or even my previous videos, you would always see me in a jacket. Because I was always in a jacket. And also my friends, we couldn't bear the cold, and so there is no point on spending a lot on your clothes. Trust me, carry like maximum 10 tops and like 5 jeans, because jeans you can repeat it. Also invest more on jeans and shoes, guys. Get quality shoes and quality jeans because it's worth it. Because even if you wear jacket, you can cover it till here, like till your hip, or you can wear coat and cover it till your leg, but still, majority of the people would opt for jacket. So I would say go for a quality jacket and quality shoes. Shoes, my god, shoes are very, very must, guys, because the first thing that gets super cold is your feet and your hands. Okay, so you need gloves and socks and shoes to cover that, because when your hands and feet are warm, you'll feel fine there. So spend a lot on quality shoes. And also, if you're thinking that what are you saying, Aparna, during this lockdown time, where can I go get all these quality? Guys, online shopping. Guys, I'll tell you, I'm from this small town called Kalur, and we don't have all branded shops here. So always I have to travel to Coimbatore to get all my stuff, which is like 2.5 hours away from my place. So obviously I couldn't like travel every time. Whenever think like, oh, I need this, oh, I need that. So what I did was online shopping. I shopped literally everything online when there was no lockdown. So obviously you can do the same now because there is a lockdown and you cannot obviously go out and buy stuff. So please spend more on shoes and jeans, quality shoes and quality jeans. Okay, so now let's move on to jackets. I know you guys would be probably wondering what kind of jackets you should buy and where you should buy. All I tell you guys is do not spend on jackets. There is no point buying jackets from India and taking it abroad because it can't bear the cold. Jackets that you're getting in India, it cannot bear the cold, guys. So I got this one jacket because I took like 3 jackets abroad, and those 2 jackets are worthless. I don't know, I just took it and I also left it there. It's still there in my room. So I just got this bag. So I got this in H&M, and this is really good. Like I could bear the cold just with this jacket till September, mid of September. After that I couldn't. So what I did was I wore my normal shirt, on top of that I wore a hoodie, on top of that I wore this jacket. So it's a lot of clothes and it is just so heavy on your body. You feel super tired carrying all this. So I would say instead of spending a lot on, you know, on jackets, you can actually leave that part, just forget about it, go get a branded good jacket there. I'm telling you guys, just please don't spend on jacket, it's waste of money. So that is all about clothes, guys. Honestly, if you guys really want to carry a lot because you like wearing different outfits every day, it's totally fine, you can carry it. Just check with your airlines like how many kgs will they allow. Like for example, I traveled in Emirates, I was allowed only 40 kgs. Trust me, only 40 kgs. 40 kgs is literally not enough, guys. So I had to minimalize my clothes section to carry a lot of food stuff, like, you know, dal, rice and stuff like that. And I still regret it. I could have carried more clothes instead of food. You will get to know why when I cover the food part, which will be coming up next. So yeah, that is all about it. And you will get to carry like 60 kgs if you're traveling in Air India. So book your airlines accordingly. Like if you really want to carry a lot of kgs, then book an airline where they allow you to carry a lot of kgs and stuff like that. So now let's move on to the food section. What all you need to carry. So if I start talking about it, I think I'll take a lot of time, because I struggled a lot to decide what to carry in this section, guys. Trust me. So we had this separate group called UOB India group, which was created by Indian coordinator of the university. So we got connected with all other Indians who were going to UOB, University of Birmingham. So every day I used to keep texting them, guys, how did you pack your masalas? Like, you know, separate airlines have their own rules. So within few airlines you can pack your masalas in this kind of package and you can take it. And but few airlines will tell you guys to pack it like this so that they can see what is inside. And few airlines will also tell you to bring packages like this so that you can see where you got it, when it is manufactured, what are all substance inside, and all the details. So you have to read your airlines rules and regulations perfectly before, you know, starting your packaging. So yeah, that is all about packaging, packing your food. And talking about what all the utensils you need to carry, guys, I'm telling you, university, if you're going for university, I don't know about private accommodation because I didn't stay in private accommodation, I stayed in a university accommodation. Every university provides basic utensils. Trust me, just go check your accommodation website and see what are all they are providing already and what extra stuff that you need to carry. This is just for utensils. First I covered the package, how you need to pack your masalas and food and stuff. Now I'm covering what all utensils you need to carry. So I made a huge mistake in that. So obviously I carried cooker because I can't get cooker there, they didn't provide me cooker, but I carried a lot of, you know, vessels like this. You know, I thought that I'll make a sambar in one vessel, rasam in one vessel and stuff like that. Not necessary, not necessary, trust me, guys. Also I carried empty bottles like this so that I can fill it with all the masalas that I'm carrying in packet. Trust me, all my masalas till now are still in packet. I just pour, how much ever I need, I just use my spoon, take it and I use it. It's still in packet. So please do not spend your money getting all these bottles and filling it with masalas. I don't think it's necessary. And also I got oil. I got this for filling it with oil, guys. Not necessary. So you guys don't have to worry a lot about taking all the utensils because it is available there. Even if you want to get something, you can get it there like after a week, once when you get to know all the shops that is in and around you. Till then you can use what the university has provided you already. So that is all about the utensils. Talking about the masalas and all that you need to carry, I would say you carry like half kg of rice, half kg of dal and chili powder, and that's it. What else do you need? Like to manage with food for 1 week, rice, dal, enough. And anyways, in 1 week you will somehow manage to find a store from where you can get food, because that is very important, guys. Contacts are very important. As soon as you go socialize with people, find all other fellow Indians around you and just find the best Indian shop available nearby you and just go get stuff. So that is all about the food section. If you guys have more doubts on it, because I am very sure you guys will be having more doubts on it, please comment below. I'll reply back to you directly through the comments. So now I'll move to the very important section, which is documents. So let me tell you in order. Take a file. First, keep your visa, keep your passport, keep your cash letter. Cash letter is very, very, very important, guys. At least take like 10 copies of your cash letter. Okay, cash letter you'll either receive it in post or you'll receive it online. Like I had a mail copy of it and I had like 10 copies of it. Trust me, you will need it everywhere. Like your cash letter is very important. So passport, visa, cash letter and passport size photo of yours. At least 20 copy. Keep it with you just for safety. Copies. Photocopies, and then your ID proof, like duplicate copy of your Aadhaar card, duplicate copy of your driving license, duplicate copy of your PAN card. Do not take your original copy because you will lose it. Okay, so do not risk it. Take your duplicate copy. Duplicate copy is enough to cross the international terminal in India. And once when you reach UK, all they'll ask for is just your cash letter and your passport and visa. That's it. They don't ask for anything else. So these are all the important documents that you need to carry. I will write down those documents again below in the description, guys, so that it will be easy for you. And yeah, I just wanted to cover these 3 parts because these are the 3 sections where I got really confused and nervous while packing. So that is why I especially wanted to cover these 3 sections of packaging in this video. So that is all about it. I hope you guys liked this video.